So I want you to know today that you are not alone. I know how hard it is when you go to these doctors, you get labs run from a practitioner, naturopath, whoever, and you're like, I feel this way. I'm having these issues. My head, I'm tired, I'm fatigued, I can't work. I can't be there for my family because I have these symptoms, and they're not listening. You know, a lot of you come to me for Addison's disease issues, adrenal fatigue issues, thyroid issues. They're all related, by the way. And you go and you get the, typical blood work and urine work done, and they're like, yep, everything's normal. And then how does it make you feel? They're just like, oh, well, get some more rest. Oh, you know what? Why don't you reduce your stress? And you're like, frickin', it's 2024 and we've all been through freaking COVID, and there's a lot of stress going on, inflation. I can barely hold my job because of all these conditions that I have, these symptoms that I have, and you're telling me to reduce stress. Yeah, I don't think so. Now, I have learned, a lot of you again have come to me for those things. I have learned over the years that there's so many underlying issues that are going on. There's trauma, there's financial issues within our family, there's job issues, there's things with our bosses, there's things with our kids, we're living with parasites, we have unresolved issues, things that are hidden in our home, mold, right? You have all these different things that are going on, and it's not your fault most of the time. And they're all like, just go get some more rest. Just, you know what? Here's the thing too. Why don't you go on a better diet, a more restrictive diet? Who the frick likes that? Oh, you have food allergies. Oh, you have all this. Guys, no one likes that. Oh, maybe you should exercise less or exercise more or take more supplements or get on this medication or get off this medication or whatever. Like, when is enough enough? When is there going to be someone out there who's going to say, I believe you? Well, I'm right here. I do believe you. Because I was that person of going to 15 plus doctors over the last 20 some years. And they're like, it's in your head. Oh, you know what? You don't have Addison's disease because you don't look like it. What am I supposed to freaking look like? Right? Or you know what? Why don't you just take some time off work? Why don't you just learn to be more present? Like, that's easy to say. Or think positive. Oh, that's my all-time favorites, right? Think positive. A lot of these times we're trying to think positive, and all the stuff that we've been through, the trauma of the medical community, the trauma of what we've been through in our jobs, in our families, our childhood, all this stuff, it's hard to think positive, right? There are underlying things, and I'm here to help you with that. But like, let's come together, and like, enough's enough with this medical community and with all these people basically re-abusing us. Let's stop this, right? So I do hear you, I do feel you, and I'm here to help you with those things like Addison's disease, adrenal fatigue, all your symptoms, the thyroid issues, the pain. Oh my goodness, all the stuff. I have a Hashimoto's flare-up right now where I'm having a hard time sleeping and I've got pain in my hips, but I know from my own work that it's trauma, that I'm going through some things personally I need to work through. But that's what I want for you. I want you to be so self-aware and have the tools to work through it, because we're not going to be able to avoid pain. Let's just put it out there. We weren't meant to be on this earth to avoid all pain, but there are tools out there to help you. So if this video resonated with you and you're like, yes, I like this, I want you to like it. I want you to share it. I want you to comment, hooray, the praise hands, all those things. And stay tuned for more, because I'm going to keep talking about this until y'all blue in the face, okay? So go out there and have a wonderful day the best way that you can. And let's keep sharing about all of this.